Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk here in my BYD Atto 3. In this video, you're going to learn how to get the dash cam footage off your tablet. And what you need to do is firstly find a USB stick that you can use that is empty. You're going to plug this USB in. Plug the USB in. So guys, I'm now going to show you on the tablet how to get the dash cam footage off the car into the USB you have just plugged in. So I'm going to go to home. This is my home screen. Scroll to the right. Go to driving recorder. And you can see under real-time image, your car would be recording, but that's not what we want. We go to playback list. This is a list of all the videos that you have recorded in the past, and all you have to do is hold your finger down on a video. You can select multiple if you want, and then you're going to click on export, and you're going to export to the USB that you have just plugged in. Okay, and to make sure that you have done it, you can also go back to the home screen. You can go to the right, go to utility tools, go to file manager, and then you can go into USB, and you can go to DVR, and you can see these are the 3 files that were copied from the car to your USB. And you can then take the USB to your computer and put it on your computer. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.